My name is Yugvashish and my school is Ambience Sector 17. When we drive bike, we share an common issue, roads. And on those roads are dust. Dust particles can rise and go in our ears as well as nose. This can lead to various diseases and medical issues, especially for people who are suffering from asthma. This project resolves the issue. We have attached the dust sensor at the back, which can tell when the dust is rising above the limit. Then it sends the control to relay and it turns on the motor. The motor sprinkles the water particles which stick to the dust particles and make them heavier, hence protecting you from the dust and various diseases. Thank you.